So this little red butt character was charged for butt harassment. He got a big butt. This character, my favorite cartoon, but his head is weird. I don't like that. So this is Ike Midluck. I don't know how you say his name, but he go 53 subscribers, 75 videos, pretty kid channel. So this is Salish Matter. She cute. I got a crush on her. She pretty decent. Oh my god, I am about to blush. So this is Mr. Beast. He is gay. He like Renaldo. I don't know why his gay ass nigga man ass. 1 million man ass assassin. Oh hell no. What the fuck, you gay ass nigga, bro? I'm not fucking watching that. What the hell? What's that? I hate that fuckong baby. So this me taking my order from the Uber Eats driver with his man asses nigga booty head nigga. I fucking hate my dumb ass nail a fucking thumbnail. 1 plus 4 equals 45, 2 plus 5 equals 1 million, 3 plus 6 equals sign 1 octrillion, and finally 8 plus 12 equals sign infinity. Was I right, dumbass bitch? I don't even want to look at your dumb asses.